What are virtual reality virtual worlds? Second Life was a virtual world. If we create virtual world software that is explored with virtual reality hardware, we have a virtual reality virtual world. Several companies are competing to be the virtual reality virtual world. Linden Labs briefly released VR support for Second Life, but then withdrew it. Since then, they have launched Sansar, a virtual reality virtual world built from the ground up to best make use of virtual reality. Unfortunately, it's quite empty, since the large user base of Second Life cannot port their virtual assets to this new platform, and thus they appear unwilling to move. Sansar comes preloaded and with several scenes. It includes a recreation of the Apollo 11 landing site and a NASA Apollo Museum. Both of these were created by the video game company Loot Interactive. The platform AltSpace VR emerged as a popular early virtual reality virtual world, but then declared that it had run out of money and was going out of business in August of 2017. Shortly after, it was acquired and resurrected by Microsoft. AltSpace VR allows for users to create events and space-themed worlds semi-regularly. Some of these are interviews with Bill Nye and occasional viewings of SpaceX launches. An even more popular virtual reality virtual world is the cartoonish Rec Room. It was created by the Seattle-based company Against Gravity. In addition to supporting both the Oculus Rift and HTC Vive, it works with the PlayStation VR headset, which in its first few years sold more units than Oculus and HTC combined. Rec Room was originally designed as a place for simple kids games such as paintball or 3D Pictionary. In late 2017, the option to create personalized clubhouses was added. In theory, the Maker tool allows for the creation of objects in world, though with a very limited color and shape palette. Recent updates to the Maker tool allow for more complex textures, though, and even logic chips that will let users make custom interactive features. By far the most popular virtual reality virtual world in 2020 is VR Chat. It allows complete customization of worlds and avatars that are created using the Unity 3D engine and uploaded to VR Chat servers. Data from Google Trends suggests that while Second Life's popularity has declined steadily since 2007, none of the virtual reality virtual worlds so far are more popular than it is. That includes VR Chat. During the 2017-2018 holiday season, though, the number of VR Chat players spiked from 100,000 to over 3 million in just a few weeks. Curiously, this was largely driven by a popular and bizarre Uganda Knuckles meme. Knuckles is a character from the Sonic the Hedgehog video game series. The video game review briefly featured a cartoon sketch of a short, squat Knuckles, which prompted another user to make a 3D model of this, which in turn was combined with audio clips to make a character in VR Chat dubbed Uganda Knuckles. Thousands of users would change their avatar to Uganda Knuckles, circle around new players, and harass them. The number of users of VR Chat grew exponentially as this meme spread virally. Online trolling, where users attempt to annoy other users, is common on the web and includes harassment in virtual worlds. Some trolling is verbal, some is visual. Muting other users is relatively easy and uncommonplace in virtual worlds. However, virtual worlds that allow users to completely customize their avatars, as VR Chat does, makes it even easier for people to troll others using visuals. In 2019, Facebook, which produces the Oculus hardware, revealed it would be launching its own virtual reality virtual world, Facebook Horizon. With the backing of a company worth over $500 billion, Facebook Horizon will almost certainly have a huge impact on all aspects of virtual reality virtual worlds, including education and outreach.